Expanding your vocabulary. Mastering antonyms for clearer communication. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of antonyms and their role in vocabulary expansion. Specifically, we'll look at how you can use antonyms to clarify meaning, especially in listening and speaking. Get ready to broaden your English language understanding and communication skills. Before we start using antonyms to clarify meaning, it's important to truly grasp what antonyms are. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning to another word. For example, the antonym of happy is sad. The antonym of good is bad, and so on. Using antonyms in your vocabulary can not only help you enrich your language skills, but it can also assist you in expressing your thoughts more effectively. Antonyms are a great tool for clarifying meaning, particularly when you're struggling to understand a word or when you want to be more specific in your communication. For example, if you hear a word you don't understand, like spacious, you might ask, is it the opposite of cramped? If the answer is yes, then you immediately have a clearer understanding of what spacious means. Or, when speaking, you can make your meaning clearer by using antonyms. For instance, if you say a room is not small, it might still be unclear how big the room actually is. But if you say the room is the opposite of small, people are more likely to understand that the room is quite large. Here are a couple of exercises that will help you practice using antonyms to clarify meaning. 1. Listen to a podcast or watch a movie in English, and write down any words you don't understand. Then, try to guess their meaning by thinking about their potential antonyms. 2. Engage in conversations in English, and practice using antonyms to clarify your thoughts and ideas. Pay attention to how people react, and adjust your communication based on their feedback. Remember, like any new skill, it takes time and practice to master using antonyms to clarify meaning. And that's it for today's lesson on using antonyms to clarify meaning. We hope this has been insightful, and will help you improve both your understanding and usage of the English language. Don't forget to practice using antonyms in your daily conversations, and soon you'll find your vocabulary and clarity in communication reaching new heights. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.